Hi everybody, I'm Miss Luberger. I teach 4th and 5th grade music at Cresskill Elementary Schools. I'm really excited to play bassoon for you. Only problem is I haven't been playing it for a while. So you'll see what happens when you don't practice for a couple weeks, so I hope you enjoy anyway. I'm revisiting a song that I had to use to audition to get into college. How many years ago? But I love the bassoon. I never get a chance to play it for my students. It's a complicated instrument, but it's well worth the while. A really unique sound, and I hope you enjoy Mozart's Bassoon Concerto Movement 2. I hope you enjoy. Dedicated to William on 4th grade bassoon. Thank you. So once again, Mozart Bassoon Concerto Movement Number 2. I find it always beautiful to play, and the high range of the bassoon is awesome if you can practice it enough. Thank you for listening.